Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm making coffee like restaurant style without beater and without spoon. Now let's start. I'm using 2 tablespoon coffee, 2 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoon water. Need a butter paper and make a nozzle and set in bottle. Add coffee with the help of spoon. Now add sugar. Now add water. Take out butter paper. Now lock the bottle. Shake well for 30 to 40 seconds. After 40 seconds, you can see coffee change your color and shake well again for 4 to 5 minutes. We need fluffy and thick look after 5 minutes. Now we will open. You can see its thick look. You can save it for 3 to 4 days in refrigerator. In a cup, add 1.5 tablespoon coffee. Add hot milk. Now mix it. Sprinkle chocolate powder on top and mix with the help of stick. Now yummy and delicious coffee is ready like restaurant style without beater and without spoon. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.